Okay, so I'm starting off using the Naked palette with the shade Naked. So here I'm just putting it into my crease as a transition color. I do this, I think, about twice to build up the color. So I'm just blending. And I'm doing the same thing on the other eye. And blending is really important because you don't want to have an obvious sharp line. Next, I'm taking the shade Buck and I'll be putting this into my crease to deepen it up. And I love this eyeshadow palette, and I'm so sad that they're discontinuing it, but I did get it for $27 on, I believe, Ulta. So I'm not sure if they're still available, but it was really inexpensive. Okay, so here I'm going in with Half Baked. And at first I put it on, dry, and it didn't really seem to be doing anything. So I wet the brush, and that helped a lot. Here I'm going in with the shade Creep. Here you'll see I'm just wiping all the fallout. Now I'm just curling my eyelashes with a eyelash curler. I believe this is the Revlon eyelash curler. And then I'm going in with the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I am so in love with this mascara. It came in a BoxyCharm and I've been using it almost every day. I didn't use falsies in this video because I just wanted to go natural with my lashes. And this does the most to my lashes than any other mascara has done. I'm not sure if you can see it that well, but it's amazing, and I'm definitely going to purchase this when I'm out. Now I'm going back into the shade Half Baked, and I'll be putting this on my waterline just in the inner portion. And then you'll see me go in with Creep again for the outer portion of my waterline. Now I'm just blending out the shade Creep. Now I'm going in with my Kokie Cosmetics So Matte Primer. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade Rich Tan. I was using Sun Beige at one point, but it was too dark. This one matches me perfectly. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's a really good match. Okay, now I'm going in with the L'Oreal True Match Concealer. I believe this is in the shade Fair. And I like this because I don't really have the darkest under eyes, but my dark circles are there, and this covers them perfectly. And I really don't ever hear anybody about anyone using this concealer, but it's amazing. I really like it. Okay, now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. I'll be using this banana shade here to set my under eyes and everywhere else I highlighted. Okay, now I'm going in with the Coty Airspun Loose Powder. This is in the shade, I believe it's Tan. This is my holy grail powder from the drugstore. It keeps me matte longer than any other powder I've ever tried, and I have extremely oily skin. Now I'm going in with the shade Sin. Putting this in my inner corners to brighten it up. And next I'll be going in with the shade Virgin, and I'll be using this to highlight my brow bone. And again, I'll be using the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara for my lower lashes. I've never used a mascara that made my lower lashes look as long as this one does. I highly recommend it. Next, I'll be going in with the Maybelline Master Contour Palette, and I'll be using the contour shade to contour. Okay, now I'm contouring my nose. And here I'm just blending out the nose contour. That way there are no sharp, lines, and it's blended. And now I'll be using the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster. To bronze my face. Physicians Formula has like the best drugstore bronzers I've used. Like, they were the first brand that I started using bronzers with, and to this day their bronzers are amazing. This one's amazing. The butter bronzer is amazing. I mean, the price is pretty high, but if you ask me, it's worth it. And here I'll be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Trio in Pink Passion. Okay, next I'll be using the Jouer Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Citrine. Now let me tell you, this video does not even show how blinding this highlighter is, but this is an amazing highlighter. I love this highlighter. I have it in the mini size, so I try not to use it too much so I don't run out, but I can't help it. It's beautiful. It's not glittery at all. It just gives you this beautiful, intense sheen. And here I'm highlighting my nose, and then I'll be highlighting my Cupid's bow. And here I'm going in with the Kokie Cosmetics Matte Setting Spray. This is a great setting spray. If you have oily skin, I highly recommend it, and it also keeps your makeup on a lot longer. This lipstick I went in with and was not happy with the shade at all. I mean, it didn't look well on me. So what I did was I grabbed the Too Faced Melted Latex lipstick and put that over it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe for more videos like this. And I'll see you in my next video.